Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Horinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for MRF tires. MRF is into this tire industry and it is a very popular brand in India. And its stock is trading at 66,422 rupees. It's a hugely priced stock. Per share, you need to shell out 66,422 if you want to buy one share. There is a very huge one. I mean, very steeply priced one. That's what I can say. Okay, then. Now you are looking at the monthly technical chart of MRF, and I mean, you can see the price trend path of MRF along with a few technical indicators like RSI, MACD, momentum, ADX, super trend, Darvas, etc., etc. All these technical indicators I am using to do the analysis for this particular stock. Okay, we have data here since 2008. Okay, this is in 2008 May 2008, and that time this particular stock after May 2008 this stock has hit its new low. It's 1552 that time itself. In 2009, in March 2009, this particular stock was trading at 1552, and after that it's started going up, and it went up, and today it is trading at 66,422. This is the difference. This is the gap that it has covered, and today it is moving at a huge pace. And and every share is worth 66,422, which is a very big thing to be considered. Okay, to consider. Okay, that's very good. And now we will see actually what is this and what is the status of MRF stock. In which stage it is in, whether it is in a going to move up further, or this is the, I mean, whether still there is a potential, I mean, fuel left in it to move further, or is I mean, what exactly, or everything is over and it is able to come down, or what exactly. Now if you look at the price pattern path of MRF, every time it is making a new high, and except for this particular phase where here in 2015 to somewhat around 2016 November, it is making sideways movement, and after that again it started moving up, and in 2017 it moved up, and now it is in a consolidation phase. Now it is going down. Actually, it touched 75,000 to 76. That was its highest price, it seems, or 77,036 rupees. That was its highest price, it seems, and now it is in consolidation phase. It is going down, but again, it's not that much, some 10,000 difference. But still, the stock is again changed its trend. I'm zooming in so that you can clearly see the green candle here, which stands for this month. This is a monthly chart. Okay, this is the candle that has formed for October, and today is the last day, 31st October, and today is the last day of October, and this is the price rise. Actually, what is the price rise in October? During the starting of October, it was at 64,000, and today it is at 66,074. Okay, so that is the price gap it has covered, and which is very good. In a single month it has approximately some 2,000, like that. It has made some, I mean, 2,000 price hike per every share of this stock, which is very good. Now you see, this stock has already crossed its 50-day moving average, and it has recently crossed, I can say it has recently crossed its 10-day moving average also, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. Very good. Now look at the RSI. RSI has already peaked up, and it has come down, and now it is making an elevated angle towards an upward direction, and if this angle continues, it may touch the top 80 line, and for that it will take some time. Okay, and now look at the MACD. MACD signal line is on top of the red line, which is very good, but the signal line is coming down here. Okay, and it is if the trend continues, it will cross the red line and it will come down. And in support of this particular statement, what I had given right now, regarding these two lines, the movement of these two lines. You can see there are histogram bars here, red color bars, which are populating on top of the red line. So that means, and if you and you can clearly see the size of these bars, they're going down, they are going down. So which clearly indicates the negative trend is more. I mean, we can I mean, we can clearly see the negative trend in the price movement of this particular stock at this moment. That's what it is saying. Okay, now MACD is saying like this, and RSI is also is in sync somewhat in with MACD. Okay, now look at the momentum. Momentum is giving a very clear picture, though the momentum graph is playing on top of the baseline. Look at the tip of the momentum graph. It is straight away coming down. It is actually crashing. Okay, it is coming down. Right now, I'm pretty sure right now that after looking at the RSI, MACD momentum, I'm clearly see. I can clearly see that this at this moment, this particular stock is in consolidation phase. So it will take some time for this particular stock to make a huge pace in its price rise. So that's what I can say. But whoever wants to buy this stock, this is the time. This is the time. Actually, during the consolidation phase itself, I mean, if you want to buy, if you want to invest in this particular stock, this is the time buy, because the stock price will be low. And once the momentum starts, once the positive, I mean, once the stock starts moving in the upward direction, then within a few seconds, minutes, days, I mean, the stock price will jump up within, with a gap of 5,000, 10,000 like that, and then you have to pay a premium to buy the stock. So if you are planning to buy, planning to invest in this particular stock, this is the right time. And people who had already invested, they might have made a huge, wealth by this time, and so you already know how much gap this particular stock has covered. I mean, how much price rise it has made in the last few years. This is very good. So if all the stocks are like this, then no one in India will be poor. So, but anyway, MRF is a very good stock, and going by the, I mean, its fundamentals are very good, are very strong, and even from the technical point also, at the moment, though the stock is in consolidation phase, most of the guiding points given by the technical indicators are also like 70-30 mode, 70 positive, 30 negative kind of thing, which is very good. So the conclusion for this stock is this: MRF, this is the right, is in consolidation phase right now, and this is the right time for investment if you are planning to invest in this particular stock, in particular stock. So that is the conclusion for this particular stock. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel.